Hello, stargazers from all over the world. I am Luis Miguel Azorin, and I welcome you once again to the Astronomical Ephemerid section. Let's dive into the most notable astronomical and astrophotographic anniversaries for this month of February 2025. If you love stars, planets, and night photography, this video is for you, don't miss it. We start, as always, with the lunar phases. This is crucial information for both observers and astrophotographers. On February 5th, we will have the first quarter phase. This phase is ideal for observation and high-resolution lunar photography because of the contrast and details that the lunar surface shows near the terminator, where we transition from the illuminated part of the moon to the shadowed area. On February 12th, we will have the full moon, a perfect phase to capture big moons over terrestrial landscapes. Look for a place with interesting elements like mountains, trees, or buildings to create striking compositions. On February 20th, we will have the last quarter phase. Just like the first quarter, this phase is ideal for photographing details of the lunar surface like craters and mountains, as the interplay of light and shadow highlights the lunar topography. Use a telescope or telephoto lens to get as close as possible. On February 28th, we will have the new moon. This phase is perfect for deep sky observation and astrophotography. With the absence of moonlight, you'll be able to capture galaxies, nebulae, and star clusters. Make sure to get away from light pollution to get the best shots. As you can see, each lunar phase offers unique opportunities for observation and astrophotography. Make the most of each one according to your interests and your equipment. Now let's move on to the most notable astronomical events of the month. From January 21st until the end of February, 6 planets of the solar system will be positioned along the ecliptic, making them visible at the same time at different moments of the night. Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn will be easily visible to the naked eye after sunset, while Uranus and Neptune will require the use of a telescope. It's important to note that these planets won't be perfectly aligned, but they will be distributed along the imaginary line of the ecliptic, which marks the apparent path of the sun in the sky. This phenomenon is a great opportunity to understand the three-dimensional arrangement of our solar system and, of course, to capture spectacular night photographs. On February 9th, the moon will pass close to Mars, creating a beautiful conjunction for observers. This event will be visible to the naked eye and is an excellent opportunity for astrophotography. Although February isn't famous for intense meteor showers, the Alpha Centaurids peak on February 7th. It's a meteor shower that's best seen from the southern hemisphere, but observers at lower latitudes in the northern hemisphere will also be able to appreciate it to a lesser extent. In any case, it's a weak meteor shower that will produce about 6 meteors per hour. In addition, the presence of the moon in the sky, it's not going to make it easy either. Always remember to check apps like Stellarium or Sky Safari to locate these events accurately. If you're interested in photographing any of these astronomical events, here are some tips to help you achieve that. To photograph the planetary alignment, use a wide-angle lens to capture the distribution of the planets along the ecliptic. Also include elements of the landscape to add context and depth to your images. In the case of the Moon-Mars conjunction, a telephoto lens will allow you to highlight the proximity between these two bodies. Consider doing a multiple exposure to combine an HDR and balance the lighting between both celestial bodies. For the Alpha Centaurid meteor shower, go for a wide-angle lens and a high ISO to capture more meteors. Use an intervalometer to take continuous photos and increase your chances of capturing those elusive meteors in your images. Always remember to check the weather forecast and look for places away from light pollution to get the best shots. Do you want to take your passion for astronomy and astrophotography to the next level? I remind you that on our Astro training platform, we have courses ranging from beginner to advanced levels. You'll learn how to handle your equipment, capture the night sky, process images, and much more. Take a look through the link you'll find in the description and the first comment. And these are the most notable astronomical events for this month of February 2025. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming posts. Until the next video, and happy observing.